How gorgeous. I did wash it. It's so pretty. I just did a get ready with me for TikTok, and of course I had this unit on, so y'all already know the deal. Look at the lace. Look how pretty. So gorgeous. Love it. Look at this. Look how pretty. So soft. The hair smells amazing. Y'all seen me in this hair several times before. Y'all love it. I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse, just a little bit, but I love, love, love this unit. And it does have deep parting space. Let me get a comb. I've been like playing in this hair, so a little bit of this mousse on it. But let me show y'all the parting space if I wanted to wear it down the middle. And I did tint the lace a little bit. So this is all the parting space that you would get. Really deep parting space. And you can style it in the middle. So I'll style it just a little bit for you, but you guys know that I would usually just do a flip over. But I do like it with, gosh, this smells so good. I do like it with the part in the middle, with the part in the middle too. So let's do that. Okay, y'all, so this is how gorgeous the hair looks with the mousse on it. Look at the luscious curls, like so pretty. And I like the bigger curls like this. I just think it looks so cute. Really, really pretty. Every time I wear my hair like this, I always get so many compliments on the internet about what curls this is, where is the hair from. So the hair is from Beauty Forever, and I absolutely love it. But I like to wear the flip over. It's a little wet in the top from the mousse. But y'all know I like to do mine flipped over, and I like it to kind of dry like this. I like the drier look. I just like the flip over. I like for it to just be like flirty and fun and not too perfect. I like it like that. And then the sides look like this, and I love it. I love this hair. Y'all know I love my curly hair. I think it looks really, really good on me. I love the density on this unit. It has the non-slip bands in the middle of the wig, so the wig doesn't slip back on you. Just a really, really nice wig. So we love this unit. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.